So we got a foot massager review coming your way right now. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the SSAV Magic Foot Massager. They did send me this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below, so please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. You can see how it comes packaged too. Really simple retail packaging. It just has a plastic wrapper on it so we can see the whole roller right here. It features 300 pyramid-shaped spikes to give us a deep tissue massage and to stimulate our nerves. It also has an ergonomic design for plantar fasciitis and arch pain. So you can see it's just a roller that we can use on our feet, and we can also use it for our hands as well. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. So now you can see we have the roller on the floor and we're using it with both of our feet to give us a nice deep tissue massage right on the arches of our feet. Currently we have it on a hard floor, so just be sure you're applying enough pressure to get it to roll back and forth. If you don't, you can see right here, we can just kind of slide it around on the floor, and that's not what we want. Then you can just position your feet wherever you want on the rollers to adjust the pressure and the tension that you're feeling with those 300 pyramid shaped spikes. But it's working out really well right now. Feels really good on our feet. And again, we can rotate from the design right here. You can see it's angled. So we can choose, which section of our foot we really want to administer some pressure and to relieve any stress or anything else along those lines with this foot roller. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out on some carpet. Now you can see what it's like to use the foot roller on a rug or some carpet. You don't have to worry about it sliding at all like you will on a hard surface. You don't have to apply as much pressure if you don't want to. And then you can roll it back and forth. Perfect to do while you're at work, sitting at your desk, watching TV, anything along those lines. There's so many applications for this roller to be used. And again, you can then do one foot if you want. You can choose the area, so we could do it in the very center as well. Just rolling it back and forth, varying our speeds and our pressure to make sure we're getting the right area on our foot. We can do the other foot again too. You can see it just rolls back and forth really smoothly on this rug right here. So it won't have any problems on carpet or thick rugs or even hard floors. Very versatile. You can use it just about any application to help alleviate any sort of pain in your feet, to give you a really nice massage. Now we'll put both feet back on again. You can see everything is working really nicely, and we're calming ourselves just by rolling back and forth and helping to get stress out from our feet. And if you like to twitch and fiddle at your desk, you may want to consider getting one of these as well to have a different alternative to shaking your foot. You can concentrate that energy on your feet to give them a massage and to be able to help alleviate any stress or anxiety that you may have. So we can also use the roller as a hand massager if we want. So we're just rolling our fingers and our palms back and forth on it right now. We got those 300 pyramid shaped spikes helping us to alleviate any sort of pain or stress, giving us a nice deep tissue massage on our hands. So overall, this product definitely works as advertised. I expect it to last a long time. It's basically just one hard piece of plastic in the center. Then we have two plastic rollers on the side, and everything's kind of molded together in a cohesive piece. Those 300 pyramid spikes are pokey, so you may want to start off with socks for additional comfort. I spent about 10 minutes rolling my feet barefoot, and now the bottoms of my feet feel raw, so just keep that in mind when you're using this device. Also, carpet would be best to get the best results. You can use it on a hard, flat surface like you saw in this video, or hardwood floors, tile, or anything like that, but there will be some slipping and sliding around that you won't experience on carpet, a rug, a floor mat, anything like that. So lastly, in case you're wondering, did David just sell out for some sponsorship dollars to review this foot roller product? And I got to tell you guys, that actually is not the case. Yes, I was sponsored for this video, but this actually has a special place in the history and timeline of Digital David. So over a year ago when I was first starting out, I was collecting any and every product that I could get my hands on to review, to build out content. And I used to filter things out via email like, no, I would never buy this, so I don't want it on my channel. No, this looks like a dumb product, a stupid product. You name it, I was thinking it for certain items. I just never had them make an appearance on my channel. Well, one day I was like, well, let me go ahead. Let me give this product a shot. So this is also the SSAV. This is a foot massaging acupuncture mat. Again, I had it on my channel over a year ago. You can find that video. I'll be sure to link to it below. And what was funny was this is one of those items that I said, that's stupid. I would never buy it. But I started to think, well, maybe if they're selling this product, there's a market for it out there, right? So some people must be looking for a product like this, even though it might not be made towards my demographic. So sure enough, once I got this product and I tried it out, I actually really liked it. And I still have it over a year later, and I use it under my computer desk to put my feet on. So that being said, this may or may not be for you, but it's always worth giving products a try. I try to cover a wide range of items on my channel. I'll make sure that an item will never appear on my channel that I don't agree with the quality or anything like that. So you'll never see those as well. But then I'll have other items like this massage mat or this foot roller that may not be for your preferences, but you also never know unless you give them a try. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.